Hello, fellow content creator. So you've decided to check out what it's like to be a YouTube creator. We know it can be hard to come up with good niche ideas for YouTube, so we will discuss the 5 channel ideas for YouTube in 2022. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Number 5. Lifehack and DIY videos. Want to know what you can upload to YouTube without showing your face? Lifehack and do-it-yourself videos are the best way to do this. Since this is such a broad topic with many different types, make sure you pick the right niche for the long run. Number 4. Weight loss and healthy living. Since the wellness era started to make its way into the homes and minds of any privileged middle-class person, these popular niches have exploded. Are you interested in healthy recipes, eating with awareness, or goat yoga? Press that button to record. Number 3. Product reviews. You can get started in this niche by looking at what products people are interested in on Google Trends. Then get in touch with the company that sells these products and ask if they will send you a sample to use in your YouTube video. Number 2. Entertainment vlogs. One of the most profitable niches on YouTube is entertainment vlogs. When this type of content is combined with other social media channels, it has helped make digital celebrities with millions of followers. There are many niches and sub-niches to choose from, such as comedy videos, storytime videos, and family vlogs. Number 1. Beauty and style vlogs. There is still room to niche down in the beauty area if you think you have the drive to make real content in this area. For instance, instead of taking a broad view of the topic, you could start with a topic that is popular and build from there. So that's it for today. If you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.